This is week 2 of our relationship recovery series. And today we're going to discuss how to help your spouse. Now, I'm sure you love your spouse and you feel awful about what you've done. Now that you're beginning to see how deeply your compulsive sexual behavior has wounded them, you probably want their pain to go away as quickly as possible. But here's the difficult reality. Because you are the one who caused the hurt, you are not in the best position to comfort them right now. At this early stage, your efforts to fix it may feel self-serving to your spouse. It may seem like you want them to feel better so that you can feel better. You want the pain to pass so you can be released from the weight of it. And that perception matters, but still, there are things you can do that truly help. The first and most important step is taking full responsibility. Let your spouse know you are genuinely remorseful. Be clear that you do not blame them for your choices. Your addiction was never about them. They did not cause it. They could have not even prevented it. So own your actions completely and make it clear you are not going to argue with, minimize, or talk them out of any emotions that they are experiencing because of your betrayal. Healthy marriages are built on trust. Now, there was a time when your spouse probably trusted you deeply, perhaps without hesitation. They opened their heart, believing in your commitment and integrity. Your secret viewing habits damaged that sense of safety. Now they may feel vulnerable, unsure, or even guarded. To protect themselves while they process what's happened, they may set some new boundaries. Those boundaries are not punishments. They are protection. And it's vital that you respect them. Now, boundaries can change over time, just like physical fences can be moved. But today, those boundaries are very real. For now, don't push conversations they aren't ready to have. Don't pressure them into decisions that they're not prepared to make. And don't insist on physical closeness if they need space. If they need separate sleeping arrangements or physical distance for a season, do your best to honor that without resentment. Respect rebuilds safety. And one powerful way to demonstrate that you're serious is by seeking help. Not just promising to quit, not just saying you'll try harder, but actually getting help. That might mean meeting with a counselor, joining a recovery group, seeking pastoral care, or entering a structured program. See, actions speak louder than words. Outside support shows you are willing to do the deeper work required for lasting change. But here's something crucial. You must seek help for yourself, not as a performance for your spouse. If your only goal is to impress them or persuade them to reconcile, you are still focusing on yourself. True recovery means pursuing sexual integrity regardless of the outcome. Your spouse needs to know that your commitment to change is long-lasting, not dependent on what they decide. Healing from betrayal takes time. Meanwhile, you can support any step they choose to take for their own healing, whether that's counseling, a support group, or a trusted community. Encourage their recovery the way you want yours supported. Helping your spouse doesn't mean fixing their pain. It means owning yours. Respecting their process and consistently becoming someone safe, that is how healing begins.